Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your existing account on RingCentral. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the RingCentral application on your device, and then from the home page, in order to sign in, tap on the sign in button. Now, once you are taken into the sign in page, you have various options of logging in. If you created your account using your email address or your phone number, simply go ahead and type in your email address or your phone number and tap on the next button. You will then be asked to enter your password, which you can type in, and then tap on the login button to continue logging into your account. Now, if you created your account using Google ID, simply tap on the Google button and you will be asked to select your Google account. After you select your account and tap on the Allow button, this will proceed with logging you in to the RingCentral application, and you will successfully be signed in to the application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into the RingCentral application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.